I don't know why I'm so hungry. It's like 9:30. I'm never this hungry this early. Let's try it. These are a little bit old. Nobody can say that I'm not taking the steps for my mental health. I don't know how to dress for the cold. Like, I live in Los Angeles, California, where it never goes below 65, except for this week, apparently, because it's literally freezing. This cool detail down the side, check it, check it. Wait, it's fart time. You guys must... The second one was unexpected. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me today.